Hello everyone, this printer is HP Deskjet 2910. I'm going to show you how to print alignment on your mobile phone and also with your laptop. You need to first of all make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected to the same network. HP Deskjet 2900 series is available. So you need to select on the screen. Once the printer is available, select on it. Then go all the way, go to Print Quality Tools. From the app, select Print Quality Tools, Print Quality Report, Align Printer, Clean Print Head, View All Print Quality Tools. So select Align Printer, Align Print Heads, Print Alignment Page, or skip, select Print. So it's printing alignment. Take the document printed out, put it on the glass scanner. Make sure the document starts from your right. Close the cover. Select Scan Alignment Page. Align Printed is done. So this is how to complete alignment with your mobile phone. If you want to do the same with your laptop, then you need to go to Printer Settings, select Printer Settings. Then the next thing to do is you need to select Advanced Settings, HP Deskjet 2900 series Embedded Web Server. Select Print Quality Tool. Then it will show you print a print quality report. Cartridge alignment, select cartridge alignment. So it's going to print alignment. Then take the document, stick it on top of the glass scanner. Make sure the document starts from your right side. Press OK to scan. So you select OK. So you press OK on the laptop, or you select copy, color, or black. alignment successful, recycle or discard the alignment page. Then you select OK. So this is how to complete alignment with phone and laptop. Thank you very much.